good second-hand engine. Hasn't been run for a couple of weeks. Just gone for a drive, 55 Ks since bada bing bada boom, and the good second-hand engine is in here. 447 320 now. Let's have a look at the diagnostic screen. Let's see how good it looks here. Calculate load. That's awesome at about 1617, no issues there. Let's have a look at all the other readings. Coolant temp, you can see idling perfectly on 83, and I've been monitoring it. It's working really well now, so running at a good temperature. Should probably turn the fan aircon off. Injection volume on the 150s is going to be around the 8 to 9, so that's good. Feedback values on all the injectors, beautiful as usual. Can't always go by that though. And pilot 1, pilot 2 main injection period down the bottom. Beautiful, what a beast. Beautiful. Love to know how long the old 325k engine goes for.